starting with numerical number 18. A pipe open at both the ends has a fundamental frequency of 600 Hertz. So here the fundamental frequency for the pipe open at both the ends has fundamental frequency as 600 Hertz. The first overtone of a pipe closed at one end so I'll write C for that, has the same frequency. Okay, the first overtone का जो भी frequency है pipe closed at one end का is same to whom? To the first overtone of the open pipe. Okay, to the first overtone, to the frequency of first overtone of the open pipe. ठीक है, तो यहाँ fundamental frequency of open pipe I have denoted by N0. Not write this. For closed pipe, okay, pth overtone for closed pipe, we'll find that frequency of pth overtone formula है ये तो, and frequency of pth overtone for open pipe. For open pipe it is p plus 1 into fundamental frequency, okay, and here it is 2p plus 1 into fundamental frequencies, okay. Now we have fundamental frequency of open pipe, no fundamental frequency of closed pipe. Let's find out. Now we have fundamental frequency of open pipe, so I'll deal with this. What is given to us means they are talking about first overtone. I have written the formula for pth overtone. So let's write frequency of pth overtone for open pipe will be, at place of p I am writing 1, so I'll write 1 plus 1, and what is N0? That is fundamental frequency of open pipe, that is 600. So I will get it as 1 plus 1 is 2 into 600, that is 2 into 600, 2 6 are 12, so that is 1200 Hertz. So here I have the frequency of first overtone. So this is equal to this, means first overtone frequency of closed pipe, which is equal to frequency of first overtone of open pipe, that is obtained as 1200 Hertz. Right, now let's see the formula for closed pipe, which is over here. This is for pth overtone, and I'll take it at, I'll solve it for first overtone. So it will be frequency of first overtone for closed pipe. Now at place of p I am writing 1, so here also I'll write 1. So 2 1s is 2 and 2 plus 1. And fundamental frequency of closed pipe. Now this I have is 1200 and 2 plus 1 gives me 3. Then I'll get fundamental frequency of closed pipe. So 1200 upon 3 will give me fundamental frequency of closed pipe. That is 3 1s are 3 4s are 12, and this gives me as 400 Hertz. चलो इतना तो हमने कैलकुलेट कर दिया. व्हाट इज आस्क्ड, इतना आधा क्वेश्चन रीड किया और इतना फाइंड आउट हुआ. एक और लाइन बाकी है. हाउ लॉन्ग आर द टू पाइप्स, मीन्स आई वॉन्ट टू फाइंड आउट. सपोज फॉर ओपन पाइप it is L1 and for closed pipe it is L2. So I want to find out L1 and L2. This is for open pipe and this is for closed pipe. Okay, now I have first overtone. Before that, fundamental frequency of open pipe is equal to V upon 2L, and fundamental frequency of closed pipe is equal to V upon 4L. So I have it as 600. So 600 for open pipe I have taken it as L1, and for closed pipe it is L2. So I'll write L1 and here I'll write L2. Okay, now V, speed of sound in air, is 330. So here it is 330 upon 2 and L1. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 5s are 10. So it is 165. Let the L1 go over here. So it is 165 upon 600. 600 comes over here, L1 goes over here. Now 6 ones are 6, 6 threes are 12, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 twos are 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 4 remains, 6 sevens are 42, 3 remains, point, 6 fives are 30. So it is 27.5 into this 2 zeros will go in the numerator, that will become 10 raised to minus 2. So if I use this 10 raised to minus 2, now let's see, here the things are in meter. Whatever I am obtaining, because I have hertz over here, whatever I am obtaining, they are in SI unit. So it is 27.5 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. 27.5 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. If I want to write it into centimeter, it will be 27.5. This 10 raised to minus 2 into meter, this will give me centimeter. See how we convert from centimeter to meter, that is 27.5 into 10 raised to minus 2 लिखूंगी तो हम मीटर में आ जाएंगे. Similarly मीटर से सेंटीमीटर में आने के लिए 10 raised to minus 2 मीटर अगर है तो 10 raised to minus 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, विल गो इनटू सेंटीमीटर. ओके, मीटर से सेंटीमीटर में आ रहे, कंफ्यूज नहीं होना. सी ऐसे देखो 27.5 है ना, इसको अगर सेंटीमीटर में ले जाना है तो क्या करेंगे, इंटू 10 raised to minus 2 करेंगे. सो विल गेट दिस इन मीटर्स. ओके, सो दिस इज द लेंथ ऑफ योर open pipe. Now let's find out the length of the closed pipe. V is 330 upon 4 into L2. So I'll write it back side. For closed pipe it is V upon 4 L2. Now this we have obtained frequency for closed pipe, that is 400. V is 330 upon 4 into L2. Let's take this L2 in the numerator. So this is 330 upon 4 into 400. This 0 and this 0 cancels. Now 4 4s are 33 upon, we can go with that also. Chalo, let's try. 4 1s are 4, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32. Yes, 4 8s are 32. 1 remains, point लगाया, 10 हो गया. 4 2s are 8, 2 बचा 20, 4 5s are 20. So now it is 8.25 upon 40. फिर से 4 से ट्राई करते. 4 1s are 4 2s are 8. Now this is 0. This is smaller than 4, so zeros are. That becomes 25. 4 6 are 24. 1 remains, because of point that becomes 2. 10. 4 2s are 8. फिर 2 बचा and 4 5s are 20. तो this gives me 2.0625 और नीचे 0, that is 10 raised to minus 1. Means the point will shift. The point will shift towards left hand side. This side. So that becomes, एक ही डिजिट है और वो भी माइनस में ना, तो दिस साइड, दैट इज 0.2. यहाँ आ गया ना, तो 0.2065 मीटर. Now if I want to write it into centimeter, what I'll do, 0.20625 into 10 raised to minus 2 centimeter. 10 raised to no. See, now if I want to come from meter to centimeter, what I'll do, I'll divide with 10 raised to minus 2. सेंटीमीटर, मीटर से सेंटीमीटर में आना है, तो I'll divide this digit with 10 raised to minus 2. So let's divide. So that gives me 0.20625. 10 raised to minus 2 से डिवाइड किया तो वो हो गया, ऊपर ले लिया तो 20 इंटू 10 raised to positive 2 सेंटीमीटर में. सो मल्टीप्लाई करके देखो, पॉजिटिव है तो इस तरफ जाना चाहिए 2 डिजिट, that becomes 20.625 centimeter. This can be written as, this is 5, so plus 1. This can be written as 20.63 सेंटीमीटर. ना अब तुम लोग बोलोगे यहाँ मीटर से सेंटीमीटर में आने के लिए डिवाइड किया 10⁻² से, यहाँ पर मीटर से सेंटीमीटर में आने के लिए क्यों नहीं डिवाइड किया टीचर ने? अरे बेटा यहाँ पर भी डिवाइड किया है. 27.5 इंटू 10⁻² मीटर. मीटर से सेंटीमीटर में आने के लिए जो भी नंबर है उसको 10⁻² से डिवाइड कर दो, तो हम किस में चले जाएंगे? सेंटीमीटर में चले जाएंगे. तो ये कैंसिल होके क्या मिला? 27.5 सेंटीमीटर. अंडरस्टूड?